There's a Walmart in this town. There's a Walmart here. It's right over there. How have I missed that? I've been driving through this town every day, Monday through Friday, for the last 7.5 months. And there's a Walmart. That's a big deal. Boy, that's green. It's raining out. It's been raining all morning. It's going on 9 o'clock. Let's go. So what's left of my egg whites and turkey bacon. I was craving something sweet, so I pulled out my thing for iced coffee, and it's so white because I haven't added the coffee yet. About a 24-ounce thing of coffee. I'm waiting for it to cool down. So it's just French vanilla, sugar-free French vanilla cream, and almond milk, and a bunch of stevia. And I wanted something sweet, so I took a drink off it. Big chug, 4 swallows. And it was delicious. It was amazing. But I gotta add the coffee to it. Finally stopped raining. My 1 o'clock vitamins. I'm taking them way late. But that's okay. And I got my kimchi and cauliflower rice with sweet potatoes. Kind of looks like a mess, but gimme kimchi. It's good stuff. It's good for you. If you don't know what it is, look it up. It's really good antibacterial, or antibiotic rather. Really good for your stomach. Imagine sauerkraut, which I know a lot of people aren't a fan of, but it's kind of the same thing as sauerkraut, but it doesn't taste like sauerkraut. It's cabbage, but it's really spicy. It is from what I understand, the #1 condiment in Korea. Like, our #1 condiment has always been ketchup. I think that recently changed. I can't remember what it is, but ours has always, for the longest time, been ketchup. And theirs is kimchi. It's really good for you. You can find it in a kind of a smaller jar at Walmart, but if you have access to any kind of Asian grocery store, those little grocery stores, they'll have it there usually in a nice big jar for a better price. It's a better deal because it just is. It's good stuff. It's all good stuff. All good for you. All for a purpose. That's right. It has just been raining. It's been raining all day, but it's even worse now that I'm back in town. I have to stop at Walmart quick, then I'm going home. Man, is it raining. nice of dry clothes. That's better. Well, today was a decent day. Considering all the rain, with it raining all day on me, considering that, it was a pretty decent day. It was a good day. I got home at the average time and I got a couple things done. So that's a victory. Oh, before I forget, I love the saying that there's always room for improvement. When you're reaching for your goals and when you're meeting your goals and when you're having successes and when you're having wins and you're having victories and you feel like you're on top of it, there's always room for improvement. But don't let the thought that there's room for improvement be used as an excuse to indulge in your shortcomings. Take that for what it is and what you will. That's my public service announcement for the day. Other than that, this will probably be a shorter one, but we're getting towards the end of the week. Got a lot of stuff coming up. My fridge is not working. The freezer is cold as ever, but the fridge is only slightly colder than room temperature. So pretty much everything in there is a loss. So that'll be fun. But looking at being grateful and acceptant and forgiving, I'm going to forgive the fridge. Maybe it was on its last leg. I'm going to accept the fact that it's all loss in there for the most part. And I'm going to be grateful that I'll be able to clean my fridge out and possibly get a new one. So there you go. How's that for poetic justice or something else that might make sense?